How to make 50K a month as an online fitness coach, baby. So this is episode 2 of the trilogy that I'm making for you guys, I guess you can call it. And today we're going to go over something that's so easy on LinkedIn to help you increase your income that most personal trainers don't want you to know. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to acquire clients right now on LinkedIn. Your dream customers are sitting on LinkedIn, and it's so easy that a 12-year-old can actually get the clients. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. And that's why I labeled trilogy number 2 or episode number 2, the 5 things that successful people don't want you to know. And it's mainly going to be that LinkedIn is a swimming pool full of leads. So easy to acquire clients that a 12-year-old can do it. And I'm going to show you how to automate that in this video as well. So let's pull up LinkedIn and give you an example. Let's make this one a quick training, because quick means easy to implement. So all you're going to do, right? Let's just pretend that I'm a personal trainer and I help nurses getting in the best shape of their life. Now, this works for any avatar. And as you can see below, right, it says the riches are in the niches. So what's great about LinkedIn is that you can easily find your niche and weave through all the tire kickers. So let's just use for example purposes that you're looking for nurses, but you can find anybody on here. You can find CFOs, CMOs, lawyers, doctors. It's so easy to find your niche on here and high-paying, high-income jobs on here. And this is why I love LinkedIn. So the way we're going to start our outbound prospecting process and building our audience on here is obviously posting content, but the way we can start our cold outbound is so easy, or even warm outbound. So again, we're going to do nurse, right? All you're going to do is simply type in nurse right here, and you're going to see it's going to give these tabs up top here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on people, even though you can go into groups too, and I'll show you that next, but let's just go step by step. And then we're going to go to locations, and we're just going to do United States. Now, what's really cool here is that you can even narrow it down more. So let's say that you're in Miami, right? You can easily, let's use that as an example just to make things even easier. We'll do Miami nurses. So you are a fitness coach that specifically helps nurses lose weight, gain weight, whatever it is, right? So you can easily just start connecting with 30 people per day and starting your outbound process. Now, the way you would do that, this makes it even easier because from Miami, and I'm from Miami, you always want to send with a personalized note. So add a note and just going to say, hey, Milan, I noticed that you're a nurse in the Miami area. I'm also located in the Miami area as well. If you're open to it, let's connect. That easy. So that's all you're going to do. And you're going to copy and paste this 30 times a day. And then I'm also going to show you how you can automate this so you don't even have to send the messages yourself. So we're going to send. Very, very easy, right? Very easy. So there is no excuses. By the end of this video, you can start making money and start building connections and start getting people on the phone immediately. Now, the rest of the script, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's how many nurses? 2 million nurses in Miami alone. Now, I don't know how accurate that is. That sounds like there's a lot. I didn't know there's that many nurses in the industry. But this doesn't just work for nurses. You can look up for even higher income jobs. Even nurses make good enough money to pay $2,000, $3,000 for a fitness coaching program, which brings me to the next thing. Most coaches don't want you to know that you can charge $2K plus for your services. Now, if your niche is like CFOs, CMOs, really high income paying jobs, I'm not charging anything less than like $3 to $5K. You can even do like a 1-year long program for $10,000 with people who are CFOs, CMOs, VPs of finance, VP of sales, marketing, chief marketing officers, so on and so forth. Those really high income paying jobs. So it's just as easy. You connect, you send a connection message, wait for them to respond. Now, what's really important here is that if they do not respond, that you also follow up. Hey, did you get my message? Hey, are you there? Hey, did the aliens get you? So on and so forth, that you're following up. The money is in the follow-up because many of them are not going to respond to the first one, okay? So what brings me to the next thing? So automating this process, right? Use Dirpify to automate the process. So Dirpify, let's go there real quick. You can go to Dirpify.com, and it's an automation it's an automation that you can use to send out those connection messages, right? And I'm not going to walk you through the whole process because there's videos on Dirpify that will show you how to do it. It's very, very easy. But essentially what it will do is it will connect with 30 people every single day on autopilot. It will change the name. It will change where they work at. So it will say, hey, Hanzala, I noticed that you're a CFO at Divisional North LAC. And if you're open to it, let's connect. Right? And it will send that message, send that message, send that message. And what I like about it, it will also all give you the conversion percentages. So if you're noticing that you're only getting like 5% of people to respond, or 2%, then you can change the initial message and start testing a new message out to get a higher conversion rate on that initial message, which is amazing, right? And it will do this on an autopilot. Now, I'm going to show you a second way that you can do this, which is in groups. So let's say that we want to target business owners. We'll go to business owners, and then instead of people, what we're going to do is we're going to do groups. Okay, so we're going to go right here. We're going to go to groups, and we have all these different groups that we can join. 335,000 people, small business network, and we can join that, and you'll get more easier conversions on here because the connection message gets seen quicker, right? You can go to show all, and you can see all the people, and you can start immediately messaging them without the connection message, which is really nice. So you can start networking and sending out those outbound messages to book more calls through these groups and start building your network on LinkedIn. So this is definitely one of the biggest strategies that most coaches do not want you to know about. They don't want you taking their clients, and the riches are in the niches. These are people who can pay money. People on LinkedIn are people who are high income earners, are there to connect with like-minded individuals. It is a professional network. It's nothing like Instagram. It's similar, but very different. The final thing is that PT Legends is the greatest acceleration tool for building your online fitness business. If you want to really accelerate and know how to implement this and cement this in stone and be reminded every single day, because I'm giving you the information away for free right here. I'm completely giving you exactly how you can make $3,000 in the next week for free. All you got to do is send those 30 connection messages, get somebody on the phone and make them offer for $3,000 or even up to $10,000 for a year-long program. And yes, it's doable. That's all you have to do. But in order for you to actually do it, like I'll give you the information away for free, what you pay for inside the PT Legends is the actual implementation. So if you want to learn how to do that, below this video, I will send you an invite link to set up a free call so you can have an accountability coach reminding you every single day and telling you what to say to objections in the script and how to really cement the script in to book more calls. So if not, that's totally cool too. I hope this video helped. Make sure you watch Trilogy or Episode 3 next week when I drop it, because I'm going to be dropping, I think, up to 10 to 12 episodes walking you through this entire list of how to implement these strategies and how to get more clients with your online fitness business. Today, we just went over LinkedIn and the 5 things that successful people, PTs don't want you to know. We'll see you soon. Bye.